SPLIG, umana malube kalam far sake dade. Burre bakarab kulu. Burre bawaga kulu. This is no longer a joke. SPLIO is no longer joking anymore. They become sick and tired of this bullshit every day. So, child dual man moike pek. Child dual man moike pek kun mayom violating peace agreement. Salam madero. Chana boko renal. Chana dak. Naganware everywhere. Nuer meji Sudan. Bau bara bi Sudan. Nuer meji abaj. Bau bara fi abaj. Eram mo gorngu. Eram mo nyaman gorngu. So bad dual man moike pek. Either you finish Nuer or you accept Nuer. You finish Nuer or you accept Nuer. That's Nuer as South Sudanese. That's Nuer as Ethiopian too. That there's a Nuer of Ethiopia and there's a Nuer of South Sudan. You have to accept that or you have to finish Nuer. But do man moy get pet. And the dal, agara. How many times Salam Bamalu signed with Junub Sudan? How many times Salam have to be signed with Junub Sudan? Our Agbada Kawajat Kulu in Taba Kalam Salam. Kawajat Gebel youth department on Christmas Day, they're giving word of hope, reconciliation, true reconciliation, peace for Junub Sudan. The Kalamata America, Salam for Junub Sudan, true reconciliation. Like in Nazal Garden for Juba, they don't want that. Woman Madia Kalamde. Naz Gade Kalama Kalam Zalai, got a drop Naz the Tayarat. For what? You targeting one tribe everywhere. Woman Meji Sudan, you targeting them there. Woman Meji Fiaba, you targeting them there. What the hell wrong with you? So, SPLA guy or gal by dual man moje pek. Either there is South Sudan or there is no South Sudan. The $5 or ma $5. $5 but anas kulu include Nuer or ma $5 but anas kulu include Nuer. Klamida, $5 but anas kulu included Nuer. Or $5, ma $5 but anas kulu excluded Nuer. And Nuer nas but Junub Sudan, you cannot follow them around like this. Follow them around by the Babad, by Tayarat, by Ajado Kulu ya. Kenya got the shield border of Junub Sudan in it. You don't want to fight with Kenya. Abaj got the shield border of Junub, you don't want to fight with Abaj. Sudan got the shield border of Junub, you don't want. Uganda got the shield, you don't want to fight. Either you using gunship on civilian. Yal Sukarin. Bekalam salam Rashunde. Man can only die one. Nazgad, man can only die one, not twice. Either you kill me or give me liberty. Give me liberty or kill me. Give me liberty or give me a death. Bekalam to America. Give me a fucking liberty or give me a death. You cannot play tribe around like this. Shedding them around like animal. Betayarat, ay malum and you need to target them. Ay malum and